A pre-mortem is a really great way to help mitigate bad outcomes on a project. Here's how to run one. Allow half an hour. You'll need a few pens, some post-its of different colours, some wall space, and of course some willing participants. Now ask the team to think about what's happened in 12 months' time if everything that could have gone wrong has gone wrong. Give them about 5 minutes and ask them to map all of the things they can think of onto the wall, explaining as they go along. Once they've done that, start mapping them into themes. If you can, group the items and give each theme a heading, such as people or processes or systems or ways of working. This will really help later on. Now ask them to think of ways to mitigate these bad outcomes and stick all the ideas they have over the top, again explaining each as they go along. Now you can take this output and create your action plan. If you can, it helps to assign timings or an owner to each action and then share the plan with the group. This way everyone's aware of anything bad that could go wrong and what you can do to stop it, and you'll have a much better chance of success on your project.